Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting a new challenge, turning a tiny balance into something big. Right now, my account sits at just $1.93. It may look small, but that's the beauty of this test: precision, patience, and smart execution. And I'll be using the best software designed specifically for all binary option brokers. Let's see how far this small capital can go. Every decision I make is based on precise analysis provided by this software. It helps identify opportunities with accuracy and speed, allowing me to trade with confidence, even with a small balance. Let's see how far this tiny capital can grow. And if you want to download and get official access to this software, make sure to check the video description for more details. I've just placed a higher trade based on the signal provided by this software. The setup looks strong, and yes, it's a win. Make sure to watch this video until the end, so you can judge for yourself how powerful this software really is.
That's it for today's session. As you can see, the balance has already grown by more than 100% from the initial capital. A great result for such a small start. I'll continue trading in the next session, and we'll see how far we can push this balance even further. For those of you who want to download and get official access to this software, please check the video description for more information. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and support. I'll see you in the next trading session. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep growing.